Folks, today we will be discussing the will. Will is a document which requires compulsorily registration. If it is not registered, then it will have no legal sanctity. Number two, will can be made only up to one third of the property. If one of the if one third of the property has to be bequeathed to one of the legal heirs, then the other legal heirs would have to show consent. Otherwise, the will would have no sanctity. And if more than one third of the property has to be given to one of the legal heirs, then again the consent of the other legal heirs would have to be sought from the testator. Will would only become operational after the death of the person who is making the will. Last but not least, if will is made in favor of a stranger who is not one of the legal heirs, then up to one third of the property can be bequeathed to that stranger. And in this case, consent of the legal heirs is not seeking consent of the legal heirs is not mandatory. But however, if more than one third of the property is bequeathed through will to a stranger, then the consent of the legal heirs has to be sought. This is not my personal opinion, folks. There are reported judgments. 2010 SCMR page number 1915, 2026 CLC page number 557, 2025 SCMR page number 1673 at page number 1676. Thank you very much.